Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best diamond stickers is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for kids to express their imagination and decorate all sorts of things, from personalizing their belongings to creating dazzling artwork. In this video, we will explore the best diamond stickers available on the market, considering factors such as quality, design, ease of use, and overall value, to help you choose the perfect set for your little ones. Number 5. Creativity for Kids Big Gem Diamond Painting Kit. Get ready to create sparkling diamond art designs with this amazing kit. It's packed with everything you need to make dazzling stickers and sun catchers. This kit combines two fun activities into one. You can decorate your belongings with vibrant diamond stickers and make magical sun catchers to brighten up any room. It's super easy to use, even for beginners. The large gems are simple to pick up and place, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. With over 1,000 colorful gems, you'll have plenty to create stunning designs. It's a no-mess, peel-and-stick experience, so you can focus on having fun. This kit makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a great way to encourage creativity and inspire imaginative play. It provides hours of screen-free entertainment, perfect for rainy days, sleepovers, or any time you want to unleash your creativity. Get ready for some magical crafting. What we like. It includes diamond painting, sun catchers, and stickers. If you are looking for a variety of creative activities, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love unicorns and rainbows. They can create personalized pieces to display and decorate. What people say. My 5-year-old is capable of doing them, and they are a really great activity, especially in the winter. They are not messy, and they are fairly quick and easy. Super easy for her to do on her own. Great for fine motor skill development. The kit is easy enough for younger kids to use but still fun and rewarding for older ones. Both my kids enjoyed decorating the stickers and sun catchers together. They loved choosing which gems to use and seeing their creation sparkle. It's a great activity to foster their creativity. After they finished, they put the stickers on their water bottles. 6 months later, the stickers are still firmly in place, even after regular washing and daily use. Number 4. Sincero Diamond Art Kits. It has 64 adorable animal and dinosaur designs. Simply use the tools to place the sparkling diamonds onto the numbered spots, and watch them come to life. Everything you need is right here. 2 brushes, 2 trays, 2 clays, plus storage bags and numbered stickers for easy organization. These diamond stickers are made with non-toxic, odorless resin. They're bright, colorful, and safe for kids and adults. They make wonderful gifts for birthdays, holidays, or any special day. It's a fun and meaningful present that kids will love. The vibrant colors and glittering diamonds make it extra special. It's a great way for kids to express their creativity and improve their fine motor skills. These kits provide hours of screen-free fun. Kids will love creating their own sparkling masterpieces. What we like. This one provides many cute animal designs and includes all the necessary tools. If you're looking for a safe and complete kit, this is the best choice. It's suitable for kids who love animals and enjoy a sense of accomplishment from completing a project. What people say. Great project for kids of all ages. My teen likes doing them, as does my 6-year-old niece. The stickers are so cute. The Sincero 80 PCS diamond stickers for kids are a lifesaver. They're one of those crafts that are great to have on hand because you never know when you'll need them. Whenever my kids start arguing, this activity helps keep them entertained and lets them decompress. Fun, easy, and a great way to keep the peace. The little Ziploc bags and number stickers were a really nice touch, too. Number 3. Halmolife Diamond Painting Kits. It includes 26 adorable diamond stickers, featuring unicorns, rainbows, and other fun designs. There's something for everyone, keeping kids entertained for hours. Each sticker has corresponding numbers, making it simple for even beginners to place the gems. It's a fun and easy craft project for kids of all ages. It's a great indoor activity for kids, regardless of the weather. This engaging activity improves hand-eye coordination and boosts creativity. It's a fantastic gift for creative kids. They can decorate anything they want, from windows to school bags, expressing their unique style. We're committed to providing safe, educational, and fun toys for kids. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so please contact us with any questions. What we like. It offers 26 unique unicorn and other themed stickers that are easy for young children to use. If you are looking for an easy and fun craft for younger children, this is a great option. It makes a great gift for girls who love unicorns and sparkly things. What people say. Easy diamond art kit. She loved doing the diamond art and it kept her off her phone and iPad. Love that these are magnets she can display on the fridge. They're small and quick to do, so she won't lose interest, and they're not too small, where they're too had to work with either. Number 2. Halmolife Diamond Art Kits. Unleash your child's creativity with this diamond painting kit. Decorate backpacks, mugs, and more with beautiful princess designs. Everything you need is included. This kit contains 12 sticker templates, colorful diamonds, tools, and a handy portable bag. It's more than just fun, it's educational. Diamond painting helps develop fine motor skills, focus, and creativity. Looking for the perfect present? This kit makes a dazzling gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. We use high-quality materials to ensure lasting fun and enjoyment. Create sparkling works of art that will last. What we like. It comes with princess-themed designs and includes all the necessary tools and materials. If you are looking for a comprehensive and educational craft kit, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love princesses and enjoy detailed craft projects. What people say. There are many cute princess designs, and the tool works well and the gems stick properly. The soft carrying bag is amazing. We usually have to use gallon bags of our own, but that was a pleasant addition. It came with a big bag that zips to store everything together and keep it neat when not being used. It had 2 trays, 2 pens, and what I loved most was the extra small bags and numbered stickers to keep all of the gems organized after you open them. With other kits, after you open a color you have to tape the bag shut so they don't spill. I love that this kit has extra bags that are resealable and numbered for each individual color. Number 1. Blue Squid Diamond Art Kits. It's the perfect arts and crafts activity for kids and beginners. With easy-to-handle gems, they can create keychains, stickers, and sun catchers. It's more than just a craft project, it helps children develop fine motor skills and focus. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or any special occasion. Kids love creating unique DIY projects, and this kit gives them everything they need to make eye-catching keychains, sparkly sun catchers, and colorful gem stickers. It's easy to use, no glue is necessary. Simply peel and stick the gems. It's perfect for kids and beginners. It includes over 1,500 gems, stickers, sun catchers, keychains, styluses, and everything needed for hours of creative fun. What we like. This kit offers a summer theme with keychains and sun catchers in addition to stickers. If you are looking for a fun and easy-to-use kit with a variety of creative options, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love summer-themed crafts and enjoy creating their own accessories. What people say. Great size gems and the array of designs are cute. The kit comes with everything you need to create a beautiful underwater scene, including a canvas with adhesive design, color-coded gems, a tray, a pen, and wax. The instructions were easy to follow and my daughter had a great time matching the gems to the design and placing them onto the canvas. The finished product turned out beautifully and my daughter was so proud of her creation. The colors were bright and vibrant, and the gems added a beautiful sparkle to the artwork. The gems were a little bigger than in other kits we've tried, which made it much easier for my 4-year-old to enjoy. The kit came with 2 styluses so my kids could both use it at the same time. The kit also came with small zip-top bags and wonderful little trays with a pour spout to make cleaning up and saving the leftover gems super easy. The colors are vibrant and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.